Good afternoon, everybody. This is Stay at Home Grandma. You know this is Wednesday and it's review day. And I've got the BeLive Moonburn Garcinia Cambogia apple and cider vinegar. It's 60 veg caps. And I'm taking the apple cider not for a lot of reasons. Because it helps me with my stomach, it burns fat, and it helps with sleeping, and it assists in relaxation. So I don't need anything to relax, but then again I do, because I'm kind of hyper still. But anyway, this is, I'm going to take one, because I didn't take one this morning. I don't think I did anyway. I'm going to open one. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing fine. It's hump day for those of you that still work. It's hump day for me too, actually. So you can see me taking it out. Now it says what it's made of. It says take 2 veggie caps. So I take one in the morning and one at night. I don't. And this is the capsule. Can you see it? I'm liking this. I like vinegar. Anyway, this is a better way to take vinegar too, because I'm telling you, even the apple cider vinegar, no matter what you do to it, to me anyway, it tastes. I still taste it. All right. So I've taken it. So again, this is the BeLive Moonburn Garcinia and Cambogia and apple cider vinegar. It has 60 veg caps. It's a dietary supplement, and it again assists in relaxation, supports fat burning, and helps with sleeping. Okay, and the suggestion use is that you take 2 capsules before bedtime at once. So I took one. I take one in the day and I take one before bedtime. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.